What's going on, you guys? I hope you guys are all having a great morning, evening, or afternoon whenever you may be watching this video. This video is going to be a little bit different. You guys are always asking me, Justin, how do I get my car to pop? Or Justin, how do I make my car backfire like yours does? So coming over here and taking a look at my car, if you guys have heard it before or have watched any of my other videos, you guys would know that it actually backfires and pops a good amount. Oh my fucking god, damn! I don't have any special tune on this car. It's actually complete stock tune, and I don't have really a crazy exhaust setup either. All that I have done to it exhaust wise is just a AWE track catback exhaust. So it's really simple, you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys a few different ways that you can go about making your car backfire or pop. But before we go ahead and do that, let me get the car started up and warmed up, and then I'll go ahead and take it out to a location where I can show you guys how you do it. All right, so we just made it to the spot now where I'm gonna go ahead and get some video clips for you guys. I can't lie to you guys and say that I'm not a little nervous about doing this. So I'm really trying to up the quality in video for you guys. For example, for this video, I think it'd be pretty cool if I got a few different camera angles, like outside of the car, not only on the inside as well. Maybe like, for example, like an exhaust clip. That way you guys can get like a good sound of how it sounds from the rear. I'm just, like I said, I'm a little nervous. I've never really used any suction mounts before with the GoPro, so I guess we'll just have to see how this goes. But let's get into how to actually make your car pop or backfire. So like I said before, there's actually a few different ways that you can go about making your car pop or backfire without any special tune. All I have done to my car, like I said before, is just a catback exhaust. And this car actually even popped and burbled just a little bit when it had the whole factory exhaust still on it, which I thought was pretty cool. I didn't know if that was good for it to be doing that or not. But I mean, it did occasionally pop and backfire. It wasn't nothing loud, but you'd hear it, like if you had like the windows up, you could kind of hear the little burbles and stuff like that. The first method that I'm gonna go ahead and get into is a really simple way that anyone can make their car pop, and it's literally just revving their car. Now you may be wondering, Justin, anyone could just rev their car. How do I make it actually pop? Well, if you guys see in my car, it is actually 6-speed manual, which means I have a clutch on this car, which essentially means that whenever I'm driving, you know, it could be in any gear, let's just say second, for example, and if I'm at like 2,500 or 3,000 RPMs, if I just hold the clutch all the way in just like this and just blip the gas like so, it'll essentially make excess gas shoot out to the back of the exhaust, and that's what causes the actual popping and backfiring. The next method that I like to use to get my car to backfire or pop is simply just downshifting. Now this method is actually really similar to just revving the car, essentially, the method that I showed you guys before. And this next method will be a lot easier for people who have a 6-speed or like a car with a clutch. Essentially, whenever you're driving and you go put the clutch in, and you go, like, let's say you're in 3rd gear and you go down into 2nd, before you let your foot off the clutch, you're having the foot still pressed all the way down. You rev the car, and right when you rev the car, it's essentially kind of like rev matching your car. That's the easiest way to put it, you guys. Pretty much rev matching it. So right whenever you rev the car, you let off the clutch, and it gets that backfire sound that you guys are hoping for. The last method that we got is a really simple one. This method can be pretty much done on any car. It's essentially just whenever you're driving, let's say your RPMs are at like 3,000, or actually, you know what, let's say they're at like 5,000, 6,000 RPMs. You let your foot off the gas and ever so slightly just kind of like tap the gas with your foot, and it will give it like little burble sounds that will come out from the back of the exhaust. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a like down below. It helps me out so much. Subscribe if you guys are new. I'm actually trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you guys aren't already subscribed, please make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Helps me out so much. Leave a comment down below what kind of video ideas you guys would like to see next. I'm always reading all the comments and I'm always trying to reply to them as well. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take care. Peace.